Welcome to Chandu's Kitchen. Hi viewers, today we shall prepare everyone's favorite recipe, Palak Paneer Masala. Let's check the ingredients. Spinach or palak, curd, green peas, ginger, garlic, cottage cheese, ghee, onion, green chillies. Let us check the spices. Garam masala, red chilli powder, turmeric, cumin powder, salt to taste, lime juice. Let us switch on the stove. Now we are going to blanch the spinach. So let us add some water. Once the water starts boiling, add the washed spinach to the pan. Make sure you immerse the spinach into the water with the help of a spatula. Spinach is one of the leafy vegetable which gets cooked easily and does not require much time. Now you can see the spinach getting blanched in the boiling water. When the spinach turns its color toward darker green, and it's the sign that it has been cooked well. Now you can switch off the stove. Now transfer it to a mixer jar. Allow it to cool down. Once the spinach is cooled down, and you can grind them to a fine paste. Now you can switch on the stove. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger garlic. Saute well until the raw smell fades away. Next, add roughly chopped 1 cup of onions. Saute until the onions look translucent. Next, salt to taste, cumin powder, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, garam masala. You can add them all. Please check the description box for detailed information of spices. Saute for half a minute. Then add 3 tablespoons of curd and mix them well. Next, we are going to add the green peas. Saute them for half a minute and you can switch off the stove. Add green chilies to the mixer jar and grind them to a fine paste. Now the spinach puree is ready. Switch on the stove and add the spinach puree to the frying pan and mix them well. Let the spinach puree cook along with the masala for about 2 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 200 grams of cottage cheese and mix them well. Let the cottage cheese cook for about 3 minutes in a low flame. Now our Palak Paneer Masala is ready. Hope you will try this recipe. Also like this video. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching and for your continued support. And also check out my other videos.